The Bissel featherweight vacuum is pretty easy to use. It's very lightweight, and it's got quite a bit of power, quite a bit of oomph to it, given the size of it. And what I love about it is the filter is also super easy to clean. So it's quite a handy little vacuum to have around. The only takeaway from it is the noise aspect. So we'll hear that in a little bit, and then we'll carry on with the review. So we did see the Bissel vacuum cleaner in action, and I'd just like to mention a couple of things about it. The one thing I didn't like about the vacuum cleaner is the noise factor. So it is a pretty noisy machine to use, and I've got sensitive ears, so that's a concern for me. It's not a major one, but for the price point, I'll put the price on the screen right now. For the price point and for the work it does, for a lightweight vacuum cleaner, that really does the job. So for the price point, for a lightweight vacuum cleaner, that actually does the job. And what I mean by that is that usually with lightweight vacuum cleaners, the suction is not that great, and also the construction is not that great. But with this vacuum cleaner, I found it to be pretty powerful. I mean, the suction is really good, and also the construction. I've had this for about 2 years now, and it's still going strong. And what I like about it is, if I'm transporting it, for example, I work in the studio and I work at home, so you can actually take off the handle. So if you lift that handle, and just pull this out, so you can actually transport it much easier. It becomes much easier to shove into your trunk, and off you go. So that being said, one more thing. So this is gonna be a bit gross, so pardon me for that. If you've got sensitivities, don't look at this, because I'm gonna show you the inside of it and how you clean it. So opening, you press this button, and then you pull it apart, and that's the interior. Now be warned, this is going to be quite dirty because I just cleaned up some space. So this is what you have, and you just dust this off, and I usually just give it a nice wash after a cleaning, and leave it out to air dry. And that way it becomes really nice and powerful when you're cleaning it. Also, this pad, I like to dust it off once in a while. This pad right here, I like to dust that off once in a while. So most people find that their vacuums don't lose suction after 2 or 3 cleanings. So if you pay attention to just cleaning out the part I showed you, then you'll find that your vacuum keeps performing well over time. But also, the other thing about cleaning it out is that it helps the motor not overheat, because once the filter is clogged, then the vacuum is actually straining. It has to use more power, and therefore it wears out quicker over time. So you want to keep it regularly cleaned, not only for the fact that it will be more effective, but also for the durability of your vacuum cleaner. Alright, this has been Victor on the Let Me Explain show, and I'll leave a link below. It is an affiliate link. It helps me do these videos because I get a small kickback from Amazon when you purchase from this link. It's no additional cost to you, but it does help the channel. So please like and subscribe to the channel. That also helps, and have a beautiful one.